Welcome back to another episode of the Switch Suspension TV show. This week we are featuring Danny G's 1964 Chevy C-10 dubbed Lil Sleepy. Lil Sleepy got some upgrades here over at the Switch Suspension compound. Truck's been bagged for a long time. We went through, replaced all the airbags, upgraded him to some Slam Specialties, SS Series bags, compressors, tanks, valves. All that was super old school. So hooked him up with a new set of Viair 425s, Endo VT tank. The valves are built into that Endo tank, so that all he scored on that, 2-in-1. So we just used the original switch box that was already in the truck, and he's got some, they are pneumatic, but mechanical gauges so that he can kind of still know where his heights are at. Did a little bit of tune-up on the motor transmission too, just plugs, plug wires, cap rotor, rebuilt the carb, got rid of all the bad gas.
Found the crack here. That was causing your fuel smell, so we went ahead and resealed, cleaned everything.
Every time I gas up, I'd get about a half gallon inside the truck.
Replace that stuff so won't be all stinky when he fills it up. So we met Danny G a few years ago. He brought the truck down, needed to get it at that point fixed up before Get Down that year. And he does a lot for the pit bull community. So Danny G's like the head of the pit bull movement, always connecting good dogs with good homes. Yeah, and if you're looking for a pit bull, Danny's the man. Definitely message Danny G on Instagram. He'll find you a dog. He knows all the good spots. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Enjoy the show.
Well, cool, man. So I know we're just same old, like, valve. You had some valve issues and
Yeah,
stuff.
I mean, even just starting it up, it was like the whole fucking warehouse filled with smoke. It's like got old gas in it, and it won't. You can't drive it. It's sitting on the exhaust, on the headers.
Yeah.
So
you gotta wait.
I'm just sitting there breathing all that shit
Waiting
in.
for it to pump up.
Yeah, I'm hitting the fucking switch, and I'm like, come on, god damn it! It was like 15 minutes of that. I'm still high as fuck.
Yeah. So Danny swung by and we went over everything we had done to the truck.
So now I'm ready to race Dino for pinks.
Yes. Yeah.
Let's make it happen. Let's do this.
You can
Dino,
get him.
what's up, man? Official call out.
I'm just looking at the setup it's got right now. We're gonna go ahead and completely tear apart the entire system that's in it right now. Get it replaced with a VT tank, new Viair compressors, new wiring kit, and just get everything all buttoned up, a little bit more modernized, make it all a little bit more reliable.
Hey, I'm Danny G from Oceanside, California, and Phoenix, Arizona, because I had been coming out to Phoenix for about 20 years now for skateboarding type business, whatever.
Looks like we'll have some fun taking this tank off too. It looks like it got welded to the frame, so we'll have to get up under here with a grinder and actually cut this guy off.
64 C-10, AKA Little Sleepy. I've owned it for about 15 years now.
So yeah, it's just little shit like that to make it. While you guys are doing that, I'm gonna go to the fucking registration place and be like, hey guys, I'm sorry I didn't know my registration was out 5 years. And then get it insured. Like I said, drive it to Dino's and then just drive the shit out of it all winter, man.
Yeah, I really like the differential cover in the back. It's like it looks like a piece of aluminum that's been painted, so it's got a little polish on it and stuff. That's really cool. The kind of cream color on the top with all the sparkle on it's really sweet. It matches on the interior. The green on the body also matches inside the word custom on there. Yeah, it's just a super clean truck. I like it.
That was just all the pressure that was left in the tank. I knew it was coming, so it didn't scare me, but I still jumped. This is our airline for the front. So I'm gonna go ahead, chop it in half, install it on one of the bags, and start feeding the front lines. This is for Danny G's. Perfect. Yeah, the old brackets will work just fine. So we'll just feed that up through the old shock pocket, how they were before. Don't very small at all. We're hitting the steering stop. So if that steering stop was lower, then we could probably squeeze that bag in, but it's in the way, so we'll swing it out of the way.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another segment of Know About It. Today we're going to be going over some of these Slam Specialties bags. The biggest questions I get is going to be the difference between these. The main and obvious one is going to be an aluminum top and bottom versus the composite top and bottom. Typically I recommend the SS series bags. They're going to be the newer updated versions. You're going to get a little bit more lift out of these. All of their bags are going to be a 1/2 inch port on the top. They are going to stay true to diameter on what they're for. You know, they're not going to balloon out. You're not going to have clearance issues. You can get these bags in anywhere from diameter from 5.5 to 8-inch diameter bags. All of these Slam Series bags do also run an internal bump stop. You are going to get about the same ride quality out of each of these bags. With airing out on these bags, the SS Series is going to take less pressure to collapse versus the RE Series. The SS takes about 50 pounds to collapse, whereas the RE takes about 150. These do come with a lifetime warranty. For any bag default, they make it super easy to get you all swapped out if you have any issues with them. Dude, they're fucking great. You send them pictures of what's wrong, and they tell you to get rid of the bag. Toss it, stab a knife in it, warranty it out, you're good to go. If you don't know what bag's right for your vehicle, give us a call. Check us out on the website. These are all online available. You can check us out at www.switchsuspension.com.
So originally we had some SS7 bags pulled for the truck. Once I got that go ahead and set up in the frame, we realized that the outside diameter on those was a little bit big, so they were going to rub the frame. So we went ahead and dropped down to an SS6 bag, a little bit smaller of an outside diameter. But the issue that we're running into now with these is the mount holes on the top plates of these bags are just a little bit narrower than what the old bag plates allow. So we're gonna go ahead and just drill some new holes, get those holes slotted a little bit deeper so that we can use these smaller bags that'll clear the frame.
These tanks are just magically too wide to fit between the frame rails. So, you know, most guys are building trucks with bags. They've already got this floor lifted. They put the shit up there, but we're a more mild build here, so you don't have that option, and it hangs down too low on the side, and there's no room in the middle. I'm trying not to be negative, but I'm having a hard time with it.
Is that gonna fit?
No, absolutely not. Right now it won't fit.
Make it enough. Maybe chop some shit off of here or something. What if you cut this off and make some more room?
I have to check with Seth, but I think he needs this part. I don't know if this probably can be.
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna swap how it was before. It had the compressors hanging here and the tank back here. But with our bracket, without having to modify anything, the tank hangs a little bit lower in the back. So if I put it towards the front of the truck where the compressors used to be, I can actually get it a lot higher. And then since the compressors are smaller, they'll fit a little bit better towards the rear of the truck.
Yeah, Danny G's a cool dude. He's very involved in the community. He likes to give back a lot. He loves dogs. So he's doing stuff for like the shelters and stuff. So if you have any donations for dogs, let him know. He'll point you in the right direction. If you ever need a pit bull, let him know. He'll find you a cool pit bull.
I like this truck a lot. Jake did, seems like, great job on his first install. Got her all done. Now we're gonna test it out a little bit. Get some presets in it. Get it all ready to roll down the road straight. Nice level.
The truck it had quite a bit of drivability issues.
It'll still function exactly as it did before. Only better. We did everything from the wiring, all the bags. Took care of that. No more leaks.
Everything underneath is brand new.
Everything's brand new. Only the hard parts of the truck are still there.
He was real happy with everything. He picked up the truck. He's looking forward to getting it back on the road. It's been a while since he's been able to drive it. It's been a while since it's been reliable. So he's looking to put some miles on it and head over to Dino's Get Down.
Yep.
I'll race you for pinks on.
We did just upgrade his blower and everything on his too, so.
No, but I've driven.
I don't need no stinking blowers.
I've driven both. I think Danny's got no problem.
It's the power to weight ratio.
Just swerve it, Dino.
Dino's got like 600 pounds of muscle to carry around.
Yeah,
That's
true.
like, I got him. I'll beat him in a drag race, man. We can do this.
Yeah, if he starts to pass, you just swerve.
Exactly.
Besides all that, hey, Dino don't got the socks, man. You got to have the socks.
Yeah, Dino, we're gonna give you a Dino makeover.
Hey,
Right?
it's, sorry,
Yeah.
it was laundry day. Jason forgot.
Man, I got so many stories behind this truck. You know, it went from almost being a daily driver to being a show truck to now back to being a daily driver again. Switch is as far as quality goes, they're second to none. And Switch is the one-stop shop when it comes to whether you need a full motor swap or just some little odds and ends here and there, you know. I needed an entire new air system. My air system on this truck was over 15 years old, so that's from the caveman days, you know. Now it's all brand new, all buttoned up, ready to go. I can't believe how well the truck moves. And
yeah, man, I really appreciate you guys, man. You know, it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. This truck's been sitting in a warehouse in Arizona for way too long. This truck belongs down on the coast, down on the beach, having a good time, being appreciated, you know. That's what I want to do, you know, get back to the glory days of putting some miles on this truck.
all the issues that they found and they fixed in a very fair pricing, you know, like you're not going to find that kind of honesty and integrity anywhere else in this industry.
Hey guys, this is Ethan from the last episode. Thanks for watching our latest episode. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned to our next video. Here's a sneak peek of what we're gonna show you for the next video. It's the truck right here. So the next episode, it's a 1985 K20, nickname Lieutenant Dan, that is getting new legs.
Hey, it's Dino over here at Switch Suspension. I'm over here with Lieutenant Dan, getting the brakes beat off it. I guess maybe you can't say that.
We're not going to Dino's beat up?
They named the truck Lieutenant Dan. I dig it. I think that's a cool name for it. Be watching for the new episode that's coming on YouTube TV /Switch Suspension. Hey, go to the YouTube station channel over there at YouTube TV /Switch Suspension.
Yeah.
.com. And that's hard to say. Holy shit.
Let's try it again. YouTube.com.
Hey, it's Dino over here, Switch Suspension. Well, I'm over here with the big truck. They're calling it Lieutenant Dan. He's got new legs. I think that was pretty dope. Now streaming live is the new episode of the shop. It's on YouTube TV /SwitchSuspension.com.
That works.
And that took me 5 times to say it.
That's okay, Dino. How about you just say
at YouTube.
No, /Switch Suspension. Just say /Switch Suspension.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna cut it. I'll cut it.
I got you. /SwitchSuspension.com.
No, .com. Just say /Switch Suspension.
Motherfucker. God damn it.
This all better be at the end of the video.
I swear to God, dude, I'm a fuck. Okay.
Switch Suspension.
At Switch Suspension.
YouTube.com.
YouTube Switch Suspension. Motherfucker. How hard is it?
Just say, guys, go over to YouTube and look up Switch Suspension. Look us up on the interwebs.
YouTube.com /SwitchSuspension.com.
That's it. No .com. Just say YouTube.
Motherfucker.
Just say YouTube.
YouTube.com /Switch Suspension.
One more time.
YouTube.com /Switch Suspension.
That's it.
10 times. Say that fast, fuckers.